brand new Tŷ Hotel Milford Haven, and this is one of the brand new hotels from the Celtic collection, which is the same as Celtic Manor. We've got a great room. We're on the 4th floor, which is the top floor here. It has a balcony. So we have our king size beds for the adults, and then for the children they've put in 2 trundle beds which are set up on the floor here, and there is a nice little seating area and table, and you have a working desk as well with lamp, and it's got all like the mobile phone chargers straight into the wall. Are you at home, are you?
Yes.
And I'll show you, we have a wardrobe, so there is room here for storage for cases or even a buggy if you have little ones. And the wardrobe area, nice new wardrobes, iron and iron board, some hangers, and we've got Tŷ Hotel mugs, and we have Welsh brew tea. Oh, and some hot chocolate as well. I think there might be some coffee pouches, and some shortbread and some Bara Brith fruit shortbread. There's a hair dryer as well, and if you need anything laundered while you're here, there's that option too, and there is a safe.
I'm going to show you onto the balcony. So, through these doors, you have a lovely view of the Milford Waterfront. And as you can see, where the ferries is leaving, it is going to Ireland.
Another cool feature here is there's a QR code here on the wall, or even mobile. So you can just scan that QR code and you can book in for breakfast or make a dinner reservation, so that's pretty handy. And I'll show you the bathroom as well. Nice full length mirror for getting ready in the evening. We have dinner reservations tonight in Dulce at 7. So the bathroom area is shower over the bath. There's a rain shower and hand receiver, and it is LMS toiletries, but I think because of sustainable and eco-friendly, everything is on the wall. So there's the shampoo and conditioner here, and doubles up as body wash. We have sink, nice big mirror as well, and some more LMS hand and body wash, shaver sockets, and some cups and tissues and towels. stay here at the Tŷ Milford Waterfront in Pembrokeshire. We've had a lovely stay and it's a great base for families or couples who would like to explore Pembrokeshire and West Wales. Bye!